Welcome back to the channel, you guys. How's everybody doing out there? So I have a question. It's been on my mind. So I think, anyways, I have one more project car left in me before I call it quits. Because I have a lot of cars and they're very expensive and very exhausting mentally, emotionally, physically to do this. So I'm only gonna do one more. So I kind of always wanted a classic Volkswagen Beetle, like 60s, 70s, but they're cute. I love Volkswagen and I love Beetles. So the cons are they're all rusted. You have to rebuild the motors, and that takes extensive and expensive, resources. Most that I don't have. And you can't drive over like 55 miles an hour. And if you're familiar with the Mid-Atlantic, no, those speed limits, no. So that's one. Two is like what do they call it? Like a 2004 or a P7. I think they're called P7s. Like the Volvo, there's the XC70 and the V70. They're like 5-cylinder turbos. They're fairly reliable, but they're very utilitarian because there's like 3 rows of seats. And I love Volvos. But every Volvo I had, somebody hit me. So I'm kind of with Volvos, but I want one so bad. And then there's one more. It's a like Volkswagen, like the Mark IV, like a Passat or a Jetta wagon. So those are they come diesel, V6, and 1.8T, I think. So of course I'll go 1.8 or a diesel. So yeah, what would you guys do? Let me know down below. All right, and we'll see if God forbid I can do one more project. So let me know, and love you guys. Peace.